Well, hello again everybody. I'm just finishing up work on my truck. I've done an engine oil filter change. I've done replaced the front diff oils. I didn't need to do the rear diff. Already done that at a previous date. I was just working on getting the injectors cleaned up. They were very clogged up, so I was using the tester. Here's all the injectors here. So I made 4 out of a few of them, 4 good ones out of a few of them. I've really got to clean my bench up now. Looking like I may have to take the radiator out. Not really looking forward to it. I found a coolant spot where coolant is. I'll see if I can show you. Probably won't be able to see it. Yeah, it's up in there somewhere anyway. So I can see a spot of green coolant. So I've replaced various hoses, put things back, like made sure the intake hoses and that are all good, and I've got looking at maybe putting, if this will be a cold start, so looking at my at cleaning up my other pump if this doesn't work. So I know the injectors are all done, the pressures were all down, so I put them back to factory spec. What else have I done? There was a hose way down there on the transmission that was slightly loose, so I just replaced the hose down in there, and that conglomeration all down there somewhere. So that's all right. Yeah, so I've got the grill off anyway, and yeah, I've got the grill off, so we'll see. Yeah, what was I going to say? Yeah, I've got the grill off anyway to take the radiator out. So, but we'll start it. See if it starts, eh? Cold start. Oh, that's good. It starts. It appears to start quite well too. So. Right, so I've got to reach my hand down there somewhere for the throttle. If I can reach it. So, there you go. So, if you know what you're doing, you can actually do the injectors yourself. So I looked online, and various diesel places around my country, and they all wanted silly money. And since I had the tester and I had spare injectors, I set to and done them myself. So, but yeah, they were very plugged up with carbon, and they weren't spraying correctly, so, and the pressures were all the way down too. So I've set them back to factory specs, and yeah, the engine starts and runs. So result. Alright, that's about it, what I've got for you today. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye for now.